How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you the best HyperX Cloud 3 settings for footsteps. Now, I've prepared this step-by-step instructions in order to basically get the best settings for your HyperX Cloud 3. So the first thing that we want to do is to, of course, install and configure the HyperX Ingenuity. Now you could do that by navigating through the official website and just simply download the HyperX Ingenuity. From there, you want to run the program for the first time, and basically it will prompt you to install some drivers. It will simply look something like this. Right after, you want to restart your computer to simply load the new drivers. Otherwise, we cannot change the settings. You want to start up the program, basically the Ingenuity program, and then you want to keep the DSTX spatial set to off. Basically, it's going to be this setting right here, DTS spatial sound. And then you want to make a new equalizer preset, and you could just basically do this values right here. It should simply look something like this. And then you also want to make sure that the equalizer is active and the new preset is selected. So right now we have named it custom Reddit, and you can also turn off the time limit in here. From there, you can also configure the DTS sound unbound. And once again, you want to leave the spatial mode set to balance. So it's going to be this one. You want to adjust your Windows type settings into this specific values right here. So you could just select your HyperX Cloud 3 wireless, and then you want to apply this advanced options. And basically from there, for the last option, you want to navigate through spatial sound. And then we have the DTS Headphones X. So that's going to be it for our video. If this settings has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.